How to create an online course with ClickFunnels 2.0 as good as this burger. Hello my beautiful freedom family, let's dive right into it. So when you log into ClickFunnels 2.0, you go to Site and Funnels and down in Courses. If you don't have your account yet, consider using my link below to get a free trial, so you can do this along with me, and I'll give you weekly group coaching, my course templates, accountability support, so you can crush it with your business. So when we go to Courses, then you just click on new course and then you choose a template. So let's go with blank, and then here you put title of your course. So let's do CF 2.0 Master CF2. Here you can put your course path and choose a theme. Let's choose this one, and there will be more themes added later. Here you can choose your thumbnail, CF 2.0 Mastery, and then you click create course, and here you can change theme, add a new collaborator, and here you can add a new module. So let's do that. So let's put title first, module. Here you can choose a thumbnail. Let's put this again and create module, and just like that we created a first module. Now you can leave it in a draft mode, or you can publish it when it's ready, right? You can schedule it for a specific time in the future, or publish it immediately. And then when we go to edit settings, we click on edit content, and this is where you can add lessons. So you go here, you click on this plus button and click add lesson, and you put first lesson, for example. Here you can put thumbnail again. Let's do the same, but you can put any thumbnail you want. Here you can put audio settings, video settings. So let's do video. Here you can select a video for that specific course lesson, and when it's done you just create a lesson, and a lesson was successfully created. Amazing. And guys, let me know in the comments, how do you like so far this new ClickFunnels 2.0 editor? I would love to know. So when you're done creating lesson, you can go back. Now make sure that your lesson is also published, so it's not in a draft mode, so it actually shows up. After you build all modules, all lessons, and everything is ready, you can just go here and publish your course. So let's do that. And again, you can publish it immediately or schedule it in the future. So let's publish it immediately, and now let's preview the course. So there we go, this is how it's gonna look like, our CF 2.0 Mastery course. And after students enroll, they will be able to go inside and start learning lessons. And here you will have enrollments of all students that will enroll in your course. You can also manually add them here. Here you can change theme if you decide, so you can change your style. You can choose dark course style, and there will be more styles added as ClickFunnels 2.0 will be developing this. You can change your section template, your lesson template page. You can link your products to this course. You can also generate course share link and actually share the structure of the course. So I will be sharing this with my referrals. If you sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0 with my link, you will not have to build this from scratch. I'll just give it to you. So if you already sign up, just leave a comment below, Mario, I just signed up with your link, please give me access to bonuses. And bonuses are listed below in description, you can check it out. When the link is created, you will get a notification, view new share course link. You can click that, and there we go, we can just copy it and send it to our clients, friends, referrals, like whoever you want. And you can also duplicate your course, so you create your favorite structure once and then you just duplicate it, so you don't have to build it over and over again from scratch. And here when you click on Customize, you can actually edit the layout of your course. So you can change the thumbnails here. You can just click on this and then replace the picture with whatever you want. So we have this one, but you can change it to, let's say, this one, you see, and it changes like that. So let's put back CF 2.0 Mastery. And this course title will be dynamically updated depending on the title you choose, and also the section titles, right? As when you will be building your course, this will be updated. And when you are satisfied with the layout, you can just hit save here. And here you can optimize it for mobile, because many people are using mobile phones to consume content courses, right? So you can edit it here specifically for mobile. And when you are done, you just hit save and you can go back. Like the video if you got value from it, it helps me reach more people, and now you can watch this next video that will help you master ClickFunnels 2.0. I'll see you there. Hey, I'm Mario, and if you want to start or grow your business from anywhere, please subscribe so I can help you live a life beyond your wildest dreams.